Hi there, I am Matthew. I'm one of the system engineers at NVT, and today I'm just going to quickly show you how to get TeamViewer onto your machine, or to check if you already have TeamViewer on your machine. The first thing to do is just come down to the bottom right hand side there. You'll see the date and time, and next to that there's an arrow. If you click on that, it'll show you all the other icons you have. The icon you're looking for is this one here, the blue square with the white circle and two blue arrows. If you hover over it, it will say TeamViewer. If you don't have that icon, you will not be having it on your machine right now, but that's fine, I'll just show you in a moment. If you do have that, just click on that. It'll bring up TeamViewer up into your system, and what you'll do, if you go to the remote control panel, you'll see your ID and password. If you only see your ID, all you have to do is right click and just hit Exit TeamViewer, and that'll close out of it. Now, if you go and open up your browser, it could be Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, whichever best suits you, and just go to Google and then type in NVT. If you go to the top link here, NVT Group, and once you're on our home page, you just scroll to the very bottom, and on the bottom right hand side, you'll see the Support TeamViewer link. If you click on that, it will start a download, and all you have to do is start that download, which will take possibly up to 10 seconds. You'll see the progress down here. Once that's finished downloading, all you have to do is click on it, run that just the way I have done it there, and it will give you an ID and a password. And all you have to do is pass on that ID and password to the system engineer, who will give you a call and hopefully assist you with whatever issue you have. It may take some time. You can see my ID there, it'll be different for you, and it changes every time you load it. But that's all you need to pass over to them, okay? Thank you for listening.